Do you need some cash to pay off your debts? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get approved for a credit card up to $250,000. And with this credit card, you can pull off cash to pay off your debts. Now, you only need a 620 credit score and up to qualify. And even if you had bankruptcies in the past, you can still qualify for this credit card. Now, you can get pre-qualified with a soft pull pre-approval, and we're going to jump into this information. Now, if you're new to my channel is designed to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, hit your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, I give you a free hard inquiry removal package at my website because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit. I also have other packages for purchase at my website, so you can go there and you can download these packages. And if you have any questions for me, you can submit it at my website, and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. So let's jump into this information. Now, with the Aven Visa Credit Card, you can get approved for a large credit limit. Now, with this credit card, it will be backed by your home equity. So you can get a APR of 7.99% through 14.99% with the variable APR, 2% unlimited cash back, up to a $250,000 limit, starting at a zero to get a card. And you guys can have a fast approval within 15 minutes. And another great part is checking your credit offers will not impact your credit score. It will be a soft pull pre-qualification. So this is a home equity credit card, and it will allow you to get 2% cash back with the Visa credit card on anything that you purchase, and it's unlimited. Then you can get your cash out to your bank account, so you can have it directly deposited, the cash off the credit card directly in your bank account. And it's just a one-time fee of 2.5% of what you're cashing out. You can also do balance transfers of debts on this card also, and it gives you a flexible repayment option. So you can choose whether you want a minimum of 1% of a statement balance plus interest, and you have other options like a balance transfer cash out where you can pull out the cash and have a fixed monthly installment payments to pay the money back. And this card has no annual fee, no origination fee, no appraisal fee, no notary fee, and no prepayment penalty. Also, with the escrow fee, it is also at zero. And if you are a person who have ever went and refinanced or got a home equity loan, you already know these are fees that will normally be associated with your loan. Normal home equity line of credit or a refinance can take weeks, but this will take as little as 15 minutes from start to finish. And you can see if you're pre-qualified without even impacting your credit score. Now, you have to check your offer, confirm your income, and schedule a digital signing with a notary, and they'll do this all digitally. And once you do the digital signing, it will be a hard inquiry on your credit report once you take that part and do the loan. Here's some of the data points. They will be using Experian to pull your credit report and it will be a FICO 9 scoring model, and you will need a 620 and up credit score. Now, you need not to have any delinquencies in the last 24 months, which means 2 years. And in the last 48 months, no bankruptcies and foreclosures. So that means that any bankruptcies that you had in the past need to be over that 4-year period. Now, you do need to be a resident in the United States, and you need a combined loan value on your property under 89%. And you will need a steady stream of income. So steady employment or steady income stream. They may just approve you with actually you connecting to your bank account, but if they can't do the digital underwriting, you may have to present pay stubs and documentation to get approved. So hopefully this was helpful. If you have questions, you can just drop it in the comment section. Or if you have more detailed personal questions, you can reach me at my website, and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. So I hope to see you in the next video. Stay tuned.